quiet. Is it an 8 or a 6?
It's a four-cylinder.
It's a what?
Yeah, it's 6.2.
Wow.
Oh god. It's about 10 k's to happen.
Oh, jeez. Too practical somehow.
Oh, yeah, and you can see the gauge go down when you're driving. It's
I like the sound, mate.
oh,
That's all you buy the 8 for, it's the sound, isn't it?
just don't run over any gutters like I have.
That's alright. I ripped the bonnet off.
Oh, look at a koala.
Where?
Where?
On the other side of the road, look.
Oh yeah, there's two.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, that side. Oh,
Is
yeah.
there a website we need to read?
Is there a website we need to ring?
Look at a photo of it. I've never seen a koala in the wild.
I'll tell you what, we haven't seen one in suburbia, that's for sure.
Oh, I told you I lived in the sticks. Whoa, this looks like you've had too much to drink, seen that.